Look at this supply chain network. Have you ever wondered how you will manage all the data flowing in from various processes, such as sales, manufacturing, logistics, etc., in your supply chain? How will you interpret this data and plan production, logistics, and supply to generate better business values for your company? The use of SAP SCM will help you manage and interpret this data. The SAP landscape uses various systems such as SAP ECC or SAP ERP Central Component System, SAP BI or SAP Business Intelligence, and SAP SCM or SAP Supply Chain Management to manage and interpret the data. This information is then used to plan, produce, price, and ship products for better business success. These systems are interconnected for the flow of information and have their own respective functionalities. For example, in a SAP landscape, you may have a SAP ECC system where all the core functionalities, such as financial management processes, sales processes, and others, are processed. SAP BI system within the landscape takes the data from SAP ECC and processes it with other historical data. It also generates various reports to identify the key performance matrices and thereby gain important business insights. SAP SCM system can forecast demand accurately, plan raw material supply, and keep track of supplies and orders. One of the important components of SAP SCM is the Advanced Planning and Optimizer APO application. What is APO? What does it comprise of? APO is a suite of applications that help you in forecasting, planning, and optimizing your supply chain. SAP APO uses different modules to help perform the functions of demand planning, supply network planning, production planning and detailed scheduling, deployment planning, and global ATP. The demand planning module helps you create accurate and tailor-made demand forecasts. Supply network planning, or SNP, helps formulate medium to long-term plans for achieving estimated sales volume. Production planning and detailed scheduling, or PPDS, helps you create external procurement to meet product requirements or create procurement proposal for in-house production. Once the SNP or PPDS planning is complete, deployment planning is used to adjust stock transfer and thereby align demand with supply. Global Available to Promise, or GATP feature, on the other hand, helps you to check whether sufficient material is available to complete an order at the requested time or date. The Core Interface, or CIF, connects the APO with the SCM and ECC, along with the BW, or Business Warehouse, which contains all historical data. The CIF acts as an interface between these components. What are some of the features of APO? Data that is stored as live cache, a type of transient memory, is a unique feature of APO, which helps it to process huge amounts of data and perform functions through complex algorithms. Depending on the application scenario, an APO system stores data as a number per time period and key figures, an order with a category, date, and exact time, or as a quantity with a category and date in the ATP time series. Before you conclude this session, see if you can try to answer this question based on what you've learned so far. If you answered Business Warehouse, you are correct. It stores all historical data which is used to generate different reports. That's the end of this video. In a nutshell, these are the points covered in this video.